Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be reviewing, unboxing and doing the setup for the R4i Gold Plus R4 card. So this was sent to me from a company. I will leave their link in the description so you can purchase one, because this is around $22 right now, which is actually a really good price. So I'm just going to get into unboxing this now. This also works with every DS, as you can see, a DS, DS Lite, DSi, 3DS, you name it, it works. So I'm just going to head over to unboxing this. So on the back it just has some features, some like compatibility features, and it also comes with one of those micro SD to USB adapters. So here are all the features that it supports on the back. You guys can just pause the video if you want to read any of them. Here is the SD card adapter. It's just one of your average ones. SD to USB, quite useful if you don't already have one though. And here is the R4 itself. So this card is compatible with normal Nintendo DS ROMs, and this is also compatible with NTRBootHax for the 3DS. So I won't really be touching that in this video because I don't actually have a 3DS to test it on. But as you can see, it has the NTRBoot feature down there. So this doesn't actually come with an SD card, but you can add one on if you want to buy one on the website. I told them that I already had my own, so they just sent me this card without. So what I've got here is a 2GB micro SD. I'm going to hop over to my PC and show you guys how to install the correct firmware for this and how to add any DS ROM you want to, really. Right guys, so what you want to do is you just want to connect this to your SD to USB adapter and then connect this to your PC. Right guys, so once you're on your PC and your SD card is plugged in, there will be two links in the description that you will need to go to. So the first link here, I've just left a link where you guys can buy it. It's on sale right now for $22, and I think that's probably a really good price. You guys can add a SD card as well if you don't have one. I already had one, so they sent me one without an SD card. But on this web page, it just tells you what you get with it. There's a tutorial here and there's a review here. This tutorial is actually for NTRBootHax, which I won't be covering in this video, but just so you know, this card is fully compatible. Anyway, so this is the firmware that you will need to get. Just scroll down, it's called Wood R4 kernel. You just want to download the latest version. This is probably my favourite firmware for the card, so I'm just going to hit download. Then you just want to hit download file. So the file is about 2.6 megabytes, so as you can see it's really small. I've only got a 2GB SD card, so this is perfect for me. Right guys, so once your download's complete, you just want to head over to your downloads folder. Then you want to right click your recently downloaded file and just do extract to wood_R4i Gold. Right, so now what you want to do is just format your memory card. I don't know what you guys might have on it, but you just want to format it anyway. Just choose normal capacity, FAT, default allocation size, and then click start. Then just click OK. As you can see, it says format complete, and that's good. Now go back into your downloads folder. Go into your Wood R4i Gold folder. And these files you want to copy across to your SD card. Right guys, so once all these files are copied across, that's pretty much it. This includes all the menu files, icons, stuff like that. What you can add now is some games if you want. Now keep in mind this is for Nintendo DS games, not 3DS games. So let's just head over to my downloads folder. I've already got a Pokemon Nintendo DS game here, so I'm going to copy this across. Nintendo DS games are very easy to find on the internet. Right, so now I can just disconnect my SD card safely from my PC. And I can now connect the SD card back into the R4 and check that everything works fine. Right guys, so once you've copied across all the correct files, you can just take this out of your USB adapter, put it back into your R4. Now I'm going to be doing this on my DS Lite. This does work on 3DS as well. Right, so now you can just go ahead and power on your DS. It's going to come up with sort of like a weird Japanese style game. It doesn't really matter what it displays. You can just press A on it to launch into the R4's firmware. As you can see, it loads up and it has the date and time on here. You can actually configure that in settings anyway. But it's got three options here: micro SD card, slot 2 card and favourites. I'm just going to head over to the micro SD because that's where I've got my Pokemon games stored. As you can see, here it is, Pokemon Diamond, Extreme Randomised. I just got like a ROM hack. So I'm just going to press A to launch it as normal. So as you can see, the game just loads as normal. Keep in mind that you can actually choose pretty much any firmware you want. There are more firmwares available. This is just the one that I would go for. This is the one that I like the most. Right guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you check out the link in the description so you can buy your R4i Gold Plus. Right guys, so thanks so much for watching. If you guys have got any questions, then please leave them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.